Algorand value equivalent to 1.8906 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.8418. 1.9345. The earlier day close, 1.9183. The change was 0.0277. 1.44%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Algorand estimate on Monday, July 17, cost 1.78 rands, high 1.90, low 1.66. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost 1.77 rands, high 1.89, low 1.65. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, July 19, cost 1.73 rands, high 1.85, low 1.61. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost 1.74 rands, high 1.86, low 1.62. Algorand gauge on Friday, July 21, cost 1.74 rands, high 1.86, low 1.62. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost 1.55 rands, high 1.66, low 1.44. Algorand estimate on Monday, July 31, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost 1.66 rands, high 1.78, low 1.54. In 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Algorand estimate on Friday, August 4, cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Algorand figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62, low 1.40. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. In about a month Algorand figure on Thursday, August 10, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Algorand conjecture on Monday, August 14, cost 1.62 rands, high 1.73, low 1.51. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 2.29 rands, excessive cost 2.50, while low cost 1.41. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.95. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.61, change for July 29.7%. Algorand conjecture for August 2023. Before all else cost at 1.61 rands, excessive cost 1.81, while low cost 1.26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.51. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.35, change for August 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 1.35 rands, excessive cost 1.35, while low cost 1.05. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.22. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.13, change for September 16.3%. Algorand estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.13 rands, exorbitant cost 1.13, while low cost 0.93. The found the middle value of cost 1.05. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.00. Change for October 11.5%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.00 rands. Excessive cost 1.00. While low cost 0.78. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.91. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 0.84. Change for November 16.0%. Algorand figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 0.84 rands. Excessive cost 0.84. While low cost 0.71. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.79. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 0.76. Change for December 9.5%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 0.76 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.87. While low cost 0.75. The found the middle value of cost 0.80. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 0.81. Change for January 6.6%. Algorand gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 0.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.01. While low cost 0.81. The found the middle value of cost 0.89. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 0.94. Change for February 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 0.94 rands. Excessive cost 1.03. While low cost 0.89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.96. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 0.96. Change for spring 2.1%. Algorand figure for April 2024. Before all else cost at 0.96 rands. Excessive cost 1.05. While low cost 0.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.98. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 0.98. Change for April 2.1%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 0.98 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.08. While low cost 0.94. The found the middle value of cost 1.00. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.01. Change for May 3.1%. Algorand conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 1.01 rands. Excessive cost 1.25. While low cost 1.01. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.11. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.17. Change for June 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 1.17 rands. Excessive cost 1.17. While low cost 0.96.